What I just found. I don't even know what year this is from. A full thing of Quality Street. When did it expire? 2021. Oh my God. August of 2021. Okay. So it's spring cleaning season. I've cleaned out my closet. I have like 2 bags of clothes to give away. Today I'm cleaning out my pantry. You guys, I promise I'm not a hoarder, but I do tend to like accumulate things throughout the year. And if I don't have any use for it, then I'm just gonna try and see if I can like give it to somebody or throw it away or whatever. So today I'm cleaning out my pantry. Let's do it. So I'm starting from the top, and I'm going to start by cleaning out the wine. So when we have parties, people often bring wines. My husband and I, we're not drinkers, we're like social drinkers, so we tend to accumulate a lot of wine, and usually after the party or after we host people, we open it and we just leave it. So I'm going to try to throw out whatever has been sitting here for too long. Just starting with this guy. This guy is open, I think. He's probably been sitting here for like forever, so this needs to go. 2020, so excited. 2020. Cornflakes, Cheerios, corn pops, Nesquik. There's nothing inside. Even this one. I really know a serious person. This is a cornflakes that I said tasted like soft drink. I was keeping it. But maybe I'll be able to use it as. I thought I would be able to use it as like breadcrumbs or something. Instant rice. I bought it for a project which I have not done. This is somebody's candy. I'm just going to throw this away. I'm not even going to open it. Okay. This noodles that I bought because I wanted to try it. Horrible. I know this one has expired. 2022 November 13. But it's so good. Should I keep it? Wow. This kids. Another kids candy. This is a classic throwaway, but I want moringa seeds. Black rice. Black rice, lentils, brown sugar. I need to throw this brown sugar away. It has expired. And then blended afang. Beans. Soybeans. Tofu. Granuts. But you know this granite's actually not bad. Beans that I bought to try. Horrible. Don't buy these beans. Acha. Gari that I made. Ooh, pepper soup spice. The probability that I'm going to use this is like 5%. Oh, this is definitely a throwaway. It is. Chin chin. Oh wow. This is so good. I think this is a giveaway, babe. This is expensive stuff. Whew. That's spaghetti in here. I have Gary. I have what I believe to be a lubo. Wow! This is a pile. Guys, hunger won't kill me, so I decided to take a break to eat some rice. How productive am I going to be after this rice? Right, adding my veg, frozen, like this, frozen, to my bowl of rice, because we must to get our veggies. Okay, we shall continue after the fight. A few things that I found and jarred. I have tapioca pearls. This is pretty much gari. You guys, you know that's right, because it's made from cassava. Couscous, star anise, and allspice berries. What is this one? Bulgur wheat. Some ginger. I didn't even know I had this ginger, guys. Ajinomoto. Pasta. This is my Zobo spice mix. So I have green cardamom, black cardamom, and cloves. Right? I usually would use this mix for. I use it to spice rice sometimes, like plain white rice. But I also use it for Zobo. I use it for Zobo mostly. I found Uda and Uyayak. So this is like white soup mix right here. And then I found chipotle pepper. I didn't even know I had it. Super expensive stuff. I found some smoked paprika. And I think this is garlic. Is it garlic powder? Either garlic or onion. I can't remember. My husband was telling me to label these things, but when I need to cook, I'll remember what it is. Yeah, that's everything I found in my pantry to jar. I found this. It's unopened. I don't even know. I think it's supposed to be some kind of mini blender. Or mini. All right, guys. 3 hours. Have we 3 hours? 3 hours later. There's space here. There's space over there. I don't know. This is not space. There's just something missing here. But I have 2 full bags and like 2 buckets of recycling. Yeah, I think that's it for this year. We'll see how next year goes.